If you want to start using the paid plan of Framer, you should click on the link in the description and use the promo code PARTNER25 for yearly to get 25% off and 3 months for free. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Framer AI. Now, go to your Framer, log in with your Google or email, then create a new project. And once you click the new project button, it will redirect you to a blank page. In here, as you can see, on the left side are the features of Framer. Now, go to sections and then put some space above, then click the CTRL-K to open this input box, then type AI and then select the file generate page, and you've successfully activated the AI. Now to use it, just type whatever you want to create with AI. Like for example, create a website for e-commerce in Asia. And as you can see, it's generating, and that's it. You've successfully created a generated AI website. And that's how you use Framer AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.